Hi guys. Well, what we're doing today, we're going over to Tesco's and we're gonna do some shopping, getting like Lego figures we might, and so we'll just meet you there. Okay, we're halfway there and so we're in a different street right now. We're in, I think, Greendale. This is the street. I'll just show you guys. Might not be able to see it, but there's loads of houses around. I'll show you my friend's house. It's just right in the corner. And it's that house right there. Can you see it? Just the little lights. So, let's just carry on for a bit. I'll quickly show you my friend's house. That's my other friend. He's called James. And then I'm going to go over here and you'll see my other friend called Reese. I've been to his house was it last week? Yeah, I went to his house last week on Thursday. And we were playing around on the scooters, if you know what they are, and we were just playing armies. We got our pistols, and the whole ground just turns to TNT and lava. So we had to run really fast over to this tree back there, and had to climb up how high we wanted to, but it was really low. So Reese just gave me a bucket of water and I chucked it down, and so we went down. It was basically all like Minecraft, and I'll just show you my friend's house. It's huge. Right over there in the far corner. Can you see? It's move it. It's that house in the corner with lights on. So, which way should we head?
Down the side path.
Okay. Right now, who's recording is my dad.
Hello.
We're both just going to Tesco's, getting some stuff. We'll still showing you around our Tesco's if you want to have a look. And if you want some more videos of us going around town, just write a comment down. So we'll meet you near Tesco's.
Bye.
Oh guys, look what I just found. A shoe lying on the ground. But now we eat a nice healthy apple, so we're doing some mini games. First, we're going to slap the apple on the road. What is that sound? Right.
It's all strange.
Okay, let's go.
Apple splat.
Let's see how it's after. It's got some sticks. Oh! 2 bits. So, Dad, if you want to go.
Thank you. Ready? Apple splat. There's a splatter.
My spoon. Oh, my chuck. Woo! That didn't do any harm. So, if you know where I am, and if you watch YouTube, and you've watched my channel, like my Jackanator video, and you live in Ilminster, if we're lucky, we're going to Tesco's, you might see my friend.
Oh, true.
We've been to Tesco's and we've seen my friend called James. He does this. When he talks, he says no. Sometimes. Let me check on the road.
Yeah, don't check it in front of the cars.
Then they'll just squash.
No, because they'll get worried that we're checking something at them.
I've been this way going to my school. I can show you this one's away, but is that no? When I was going down here, there's loads of apples. There's no more. Have you got your apple?
It's gone. I splattered it as well.
Oh.
Right, I'll pause
Now
it then.
I got my one. I got my one.
Yeah.
And now I'll do splats near my school. So I'll just show you my school from here, and then we'll speed up the time and we'll just show you around Tesco's. So let me just do this. Dun, dun, dun. Hey, my school is going to have a walk there. Go. No! I need to put that in. There, it's gone. Oh, sit. Sit. Yes! So, we still got my apple. This is all of my school. There's, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, just like 8 classrooms in my school. We have a giant playground, and we have giant playground, and we have a giant field, but only if we're lucky. Only like summers we go on the field, and the field is huge. When it's raining, I saw this apple on the floor, so I played apple attack with it on the field, and I wasn't allowed on the field, but I got the apple and I was kicking it around. And then this person called Luke from my class just went over, got the apple, put it on the floor, and put his feet down, and jumped and landed one on the apple, and it went flat as a pancake. If you can see over there, where those, if you can see, with that person with that motorbike, there's the Tesco's garage, but we just need to go a bit more further, and there's Tesco's, to show them that there's the car park.
Yeah.
So we're going to show you the car park. There's a club where I go. It's called a youth club. I used to go there, but now I don't really. Is there from the...
Almost.
There's a... tomorrow. Look at it. It's awesome.
Yeah, it is cool.
Can you see it?
Yeah. I zoomed in.
Oh, that's cool. And so, we'll just quickly shoot Tesco's garage, and then we'll pause, and then we'll meet you at the Tesco's garage, unpause, and you can see all around. So this is the Tesco's garage. It's got the entrance sign, and if you need your car pumping, also there's the car pumps. We've been to a car pumping place for quite a long time, and there you get fuel, there's a car wash, and this is where you get computers, is it?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, computer shop
So
over there.
E and S computers, that's where you...
Didn't you make a song up, Jack?
Pardon?
Didn't you make a song up?
Oh yeah, I made a song up with ES computers, but now I don't really remember the song. It was quite cool.
Let's go quickly then. Across the road.
I don't remember the voice. For Jackanator, if you haven't seen it,
Oh,
it's me smashing a laptop. This is the Tesco garage.
do you know what, if you had a low battery, Jack, so I'm going to have to stop for a minute.
That's
That's
Tesco's
it.
garage.
Tesco garage.
Bye. I'll meet you in a bit. Oh guys, I need to be quite quiet. Sorry if you can't hear that well, but I need to be quite quiet. I'm not really allowed to do a video in Tesco's. I'll show you what I want. So we're gonna go over here and yeah, see. Oh guys, look.
Yeah, you?
Chocolate. Okay, what am I gonna get? I'm gonna get this. Just to know, when I was going shopping, I got one of these. Like double chocolate. So, I'm gonna get this thing called Jammy Dodgers. I'll show you if you don't know them. They're like biscuits, and then they have I'll just show you. It's here. Here. Here you might have a clue. This is what it is. So there's the bread, basically, and then there's the jam with the heart, and that's quite weird if you're a boy. And then there's another circle. So let's just put this in. And now this is where the toys are. This is, whoa, look at all this.
Oh, yeah.
This is really cool.
Jack, toys are that way.
Oh, the toys are this way. Let's go. Dan, 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 dan. Okay. Just where I'm gonna put this. What does... Ooh, what should we get? I love these.
What are they?
These are things so you don't know. These are what you can get. A guy with diamond sword and that.
Yeah.
Squid, cycle to gas, what shoots fireballs. A mushroom, a skeleton, and a zombie on fire. So you get one of these.
Halloween ones.
Yeah. So video. Oh, it's still video.
So you're going to get one for Jamie or no?
I thought we were gone. This is what I'm getting. Minecraft. And these are what you can get. It's for my brother. Yeah. And look. We can get all these sorts. We get gas. And we get squid of diamond armor, zombie on fire, skeleton, and a mushroom cow. So, all these figures got. This is the guy I always wanted to get. It's a ghost, and the ghost. This is really cool. You have the ghost legs of like holes through your legs, and you have a chain. You have a chain, and I'll just meet you in a bit outside. So guess what? We had to get kicked out of Tesco's. There's the alarms went off. Can you hear it? I think it's like a fire drill. Everyone's gone out.
Oh wow, look.
All the people got kicked out. Now they're just gonna go away.
Sorry?
Now they're just gonna go and
So
wait.
shall we hang around just in case it's fun to watch?
Or should we go back from the portal too?
Okay.
We'll
Alright.
have to go, Dad.
So see you in a minute.
See you in a minute, I'll meet you at home. Guys, when I was at school, guess what? This is what happened. We were cooking food. We have this thing called cooked dinner, so we're cooking food, and the girl accidentally set on fire. And
No
then
way.
the alarm went off, so you all had to rush outside. And Overton, my head mistress, said that we all of us, we have to leave school. We had to go outside.
And did you?
Yeah, and we had to go outside until it switched off.
So should we make a move? I think it's finished.
Guys, we had to get kicked out, so now we're going the back way. There's two ways to get out, basically. Yeah. One is this way. We could have went for emergency way. Dad, I found this emergency way. At the very back. And we could just run out that.
Well, long we can down this end.
I don't know.
They'll stop in a sec, I'm sure.
Yeah. Or might not.
Well, I'll pause now, alright?
Yeah, so we cross over.
Yeah, okay.
Because then we don't have to cross that road.
Okay.
We have to cross two roads.
Can't see any sign of any smoke.
I do smell some.
Can you?
Can you? Do a big one. We could have run the car. We need to walk, report back to Mum.
Okay. I'm going to stop it now, okay?
Say bye.
Bye.